Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to fill your brows using our ShadowSense. So you've seen me use it as a shadow, you've seen me use it as a liner, but now I want to show you how to use it to fill your brows using a small angled brush. So you can see that right there. And this one's actually double-ended because you can comb your brows with one end and you can fill your brows with the other end. So Garnet ShadowSense, we have quite a few colors you can use to do this. So the first thing I do is I brush my brows out. Some people like to mix a couple colors together to get the right color for their brows, but I just use one because I'm all about quick, easy and convenient. So I load my brush and simply draw the outline, and then I'll go ahead and fill. Once you get to the middle of the brow, I work in an upwards direction and I use a lot less product just to make it look a lot more natural. Using light feather-like motions, again to make this look more like a natural brow. Once you're happy with the shape of the brow, you can use the other end of your makeup brush and just comb it through. And there you have it! I have a brow on. I hope you found this video helpful, and again, with our Creamy Sense cosmetics, they all contain anti-aging properties, so if you're gonna use something to enhance your best features, why not use something that is actually good for your skin? And once applied and buffed out and blended out, our products are there to stay for the day. So I'm going to show you my finger. If I do a little smudge, you will see my brow is not going anywhere, and that is why I love our Sense Cosmetics. And thank you so much for joining me and watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye!